Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nam. I'm going to go over our lesson for today, Thursday, September 24th, for my 7th grade science kiddos. Today's lesson is titled State Changes. Okay, so we talked about the different states of matter, but we're going to talk about now what is it happens when they change from one state to another. Your do now for today's listed. What did you learn from yesterday's lesson on climate change and chemistry? And can you explain why the ocean levels are rising? So we did this in the chat. What I want you to do is type this in on the notes below so you can get credit for it in case you didn't. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we did our do now. Let's go over our scientist of the day, who is Paulo. Ooh, yikes. Paulo Villarreal. He's a Mexican computer scientist, taught herself to program computers starting at the age of 12. And by 15, she was getting paid to do it. Okay. Her data analysis was also used to some people were wrongly arrested and helped reverse 20,000 convictions. Okay, awesome work that she does. Alrighty, guys. So we're talking about state changes and attraction. All particles have an attraction to each other that helps keep them closer together. When the amount of thermal energy that particles have changes enough, they will either overcome their attraction or break apart, or will give into their attraction and come together. This is a state change, or sometimes we like to call it a phase change. Okay, so what you did was you're putting breakout rooms, but if you miss class, you're going to do this on your own. But what you're going to do is you're going to watch this video, and then there are a different word for each state change. Watch the video and use a picture to label 1 through 5 for the different types of state changes. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this image here. And this is where you're going to type in. Okay, and then you're going to type down here, why do you think state changes are important, to explaining why popcorn pops. State change diagram labeling. Now what you're going to do is drag these different terms to the correct arrow that shows what exactly that state change is. Let's back up. Okay, this is your independent learning. Second independent learning is you have a state change PhET simulation. So you're going to play with this, and you click on states, and then you're going to answer these questions down here about the different phase changes. There is a Google form that is your exit ticket. If you click on it, it should open up a Google form, and that should wrap you up. For today. If you have any questions like always, please let me know. If not, I will see you tomorrow, Friday the 25th.